Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of history. So the first question is, which one of the following first mooted the idea of a constituent assembly to frame a constitution for India? Option A, Swaraj Party in 1934. Option B, Congress Party in 1936. Option C, Muslims League in 1942. And option D, All Parties Conference in 1946. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option A, Swaraj Party in 1934. So Swaraj Party was formed in 1923 by Chittaranjan Das. So you can read more about Chittaranjan Das, and you can also read another parties that were formed in that era in 1930s, or let's say in 1940s. So you can read other options also, like about Muslim League, Congress Party, All Parties Conference, how Muslim League was formed, who were the prominent leaders in the Muslim party. So what was the reason of this party? So what was the motto? You can read all that stuff from standard sources. So now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements about Jawaharlal Nehru. Option first, he was the president of Congress Party in 1947. Second, he presided over the Constituent Assembly. Third, he formed the first Congress ministry in United Province before India's independence. So, which of the following statements is correct? Option A, 1, 2, and 3. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, none is correct. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number D, none is correct. So Acharya J.B. Kriplani was the president of Congress Party in 1947, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad presided over the Constituent Assembly, and G.B. Pant formed the first Congress ministry in United Province before India attained independence. So that was all about Jawaharlal Nehru and other prominent leaders. So you can read more about Jawaharlal Nehru as well, about Indian National Congress. So who presided first session of Indian National Congress and what were the important sessions of Indian National Congress. You need not to learn about all the sessions of Indian National Congress. You can read the important ones. So you can refer that from standard sources also. So that was about question number second. Now let us discuss question number third. In the individual satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first satyagrahi. Who was the second? Option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Rajagopalachari. Option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the second satyagrahi in individual satyagraha. So it was started in October 1940. So you should also know the timelines of major events that took place in that era, that around 1940s. So you can read more about that. And about individual satyagraha, you can read its motto, its objective, so whether it was successful or not, and what were the following events after individual satyagraha. So you can read about that also. In this way you can read important parts of events also. Actually, the important portion of modern Indian history is after 1940s to 1947. So at least one question come from this topic, this decade, you can say. So this is very important. So you can read about 1940s to 1970s, 1947. You can read from 1940 to 1947. This is a very important theme. So you can cover that from standard sources. Now let us discuss question number 4. Which one of the following is a very significant aspect of the Champaran Satyagraha? Option A, active all India participation of lawyers, students, and women in the national movement. Option B, active involvement of Dalit and tribal communities of India in the national movement. Option C, joining of peasant unrest to India's national movement. Option D, drastic decrease in the cultivation of plantation crops and commercial crops. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C, joining of peasant unrest to India's national movement. So option A, B, and D are irrelevant to Champaran Satyagraha. So this was all about question number 4. You can read about other satyagrahas also. You should know about civil disobedience movement also, non-cooperation movement also. So who were the prominent figures in Champaran Satyagraha, and what was the outcome of that satyagraha? So what were the learnings from Champaran Satyagraha? You can always read about these important topics from standard sources. So Champaran Satyagraha is very important topic from UPSC Prelims exam point of view. So now let us discuss question number 5. The people of India agitated against the arrival of Simon Commission because option A, Indians never wanted the review of the working of the Act of 1919. Option B, Simon Commission recommended the abolition of diarchy in the provinces. Option C, there was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. Option D, the Simon Commission suggested the partition of the country. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option C. There was no Indian member in the Simon Commission. So in November 1927, the British government appointed the Indian Statutory Commission, known popularly after the name of its first chairman as the Simon Commission. All the members of the commission were Englishmen. This announcement was greeted with chorus of protest from all Indians. What angered them most was the exclusion of Indians from the commission, and the basic notion behind this exclusion was that foreigners would discuss and decide upon India's fitness for self government. So, this was a major reason. That's why people agitated against the arrival of Simon Commission. So, you should know what were the events pre Simon Commission and post events. I mean, the events post Simon Commission. So, what were the outcomes of that? So, you can read more about Act of 1919 also, about diarchy also, which act introduced diarchy. You can read about that also. And you should know who were the members in the Simon Commission. So, that's it all about this video. So, you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.